Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make spinach banana ice cream. So first thing you want to do is the night before you want to make your ice cream, go ahead and cut up all your bananas. Add them to a rather large container. And then stick it in the freezer for at least 8 hours. So to make the ice cream, you're going to blend up 1/3 of a cup of coconut water in a food processor or a blender. And a large handful of spinach. If you are using a food processor, you might have to scrape down the sides with a spatula. When that's all blended up, go ahead and grab your bananas from the freezer and add them in. Making banana ice cream in a food processor might take a little bit longer, but it's definitely worth it. And again, you might have to scrape down the sides, but just be patient. When you're all done, go ahead and place it in a chilled bowl. I just had mine chilling for about an hour so it doesn't melt as soon as it hits the bowl if it's too hot outside. Then you'll want to place it in the freezer while you prepare your topping. Here I'm just mixing some peanut butter powder, date syrup, and water. Obviously you guys can use whatever toppings you want, but for mine I chose to use peanut butter, strawberries, mango, and cherries. And I like to use the stems on the strawberries too because it looks pretty in my Instagram photos. When you're all done cutting everything up, go ahead and just put it on your ice cream. One other thing I love to put on there is crushed freeze-dried raspberries. It makes everything taste so much better. And there you have it. Delicious and nutritious and healthy spinach banana ice cream. I hope you guys try this out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. And thank you so much for watching.